Hello my dear friends, here ko lang sa inyo itong My Little Christmas Table. This one, my salmon, potatoes, lax salad, seal, meatballs, and then the palo sausage. I have broccoli here, and then Brussels sprouts, and then the egg, the bread and the butter. My dessert, rice alla malta.
Do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me.
Kain tayo mga friends.
I wrap it up and sent it with a note saying, I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been. But if you kiss me now, I know you'd fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Thank you all for watching. Merry Christmas everyone.